I just wanted to show you some paints and mediums I bought recently, in case you're wondering what to buy. Sometimes it's hard to know what to buy, and so I try to do videos on the types of brushes you should or could buy and what I buy, and I show you the different paints that I buy. And that way, if you like my videos and you like the way the painting is coming out and I use those materials, then you should have no problems with those, and then you don't have to waste your money going out and buying really expensive tubes of paint and it not working for you. So I'm just going to show you a few things that I have bought. This is one I bought recently over Staples, actually, and it's Statler. And these little tubes of paint, I haven't tried them yet. You can see they're still in the package, but they had all the colors that I loved. It's like it's got titanium white, lemon yellow, and it's got a red, and it's got alizarin crimson. I can't pronounce some of them, sorry. Light green that has phthalo green and cobalt blue. I never had these. I don't have all these. I have all kinds of paints, but I don't have certain colors. Sometimes I use them, then I run out. And I have ultramarine blue, yellow ochre, burnt sienna. I mean, it has everything in there that, you know, all the paints. And one good thing about this, even though they're small, you can try the paints out and see if you like them. And if you like them, then you can go buy the bigger tubes. That's what I like about these small tubes. So it's another one here called Vermilion. And there's another one here called, I just said that, but there's another one here. It's called Gambage. Anyway, I never heard of that one. So I'm going to try these paints out, and they work out nice, and I like the colors, and I'll be buying the bigger tubes. So I go through a lot of paint. And I also bought this at Staples. Now I can have links down in my Amazon store for you, my shop, right? That's my Amazon shop, and I have links to all the paints and brushes that I buy, plus other things that are on Amazon. I always order things from Amazon, never had a problem with them, so I don't mind, you know, having an affiliate link with them, so, because I don't want to promote anything I'm not sure of. So these are over to Staples. So like I said, you can go into the Amazon shop, have a look around, have a look at what I got in there, and take the name of what I got there, the brand names, and the kind of brushes I got in there, and then go on to wherever you want to go and buy them. Or if you like shopping from Amazon, you got Prime, you save your shipping, and you save some money. So that's up to you. I'm just going to leave the link there for you so you can know what I'm buying and things. So this is a Liquid-X Basics, and this one is a coarse texture gel. Now I haven't tried any of this yet, but I'm going to do a video on using these, okay? I'm going to do a video and using all my mediums so you'll know what to do with them and how to use them. Now I don't know what this is. Iridescent medium. Just look. Right? Because I never use these, because I don't use a lot of mediums, because I tell you why I don't use mediums, only because when I'm doing videos, the blending gels or high gloss gels or mediums, they leave a glare on my painting, and then you're going to get a glare and it won't go away for a long time because they're slow drying, so I don't use them as much. This is a modeling paste, Liquid-X modeling paste, and all this is in one package. Isn't that cute? And even a little bit of gesso, so I'm going to try all that out. Gesso, and last but not least, a gloss gel medium. So all that came in a package. 1, 2, 6 texture and effects acrylic medium set. I'll see if I can find that in my Amazon shop. If I can't, I got this one at Staples, so I'm not promoting anybody now. Like I said, I only got a link to my affiliate. My Amazon is my affiliate, but if I mention Walmart's and Staples and all them, or Michael's, they never asked me to do that, okay? So just want to make sure you know, professional slow dry blending gel. I showed you that on some of my videos, and I did try it on my videos, but I found, like I said, it just gave me a glare. But I'm still going to do a video. Using everything I have here on mediums. Like I'm after doing other videos on mediums, but these are ones that I haven't used yet. I'm going to, so I like to do some more so you can get an idea of how mediums work, and if they're worth using and buying, because you don't want to waste money. You'd rather buy paints, right? So anyway, that's it. And I'm going to show you the supplies that you need to paint along with me. So what you will need are just a few simple little supplies. Some bristle brushes, 2 inch, 1 inch, and 1/4 inch bristle. You'll also, be nice to have on hand, are some nice liner brushes. Liner brushes are nice tiny brushes that will give you some really nice fine detail. You can have different sizes. You can also have fan brushes. Probably some different size fan brushes, small, medium, and large, and that way you'll be able to do some nice water and trees. You can also have nice flat sable brushes. One is an angular and one is flat. And these angular ones are really nice for flowers. And chiseled edge, so you can make some fine lines. You can also have, let's see, a nice Filbert brush. You can get them in different sizes. Filberts are great for flowers also, and round objects. And you can have some palette knives. So have this stuff on hand, and that will make it easier for you to paint along with any of my paintings, really. You got this stuff on hand, be great. And you can also use tube paints. I just used the bottle paints, and my colors are the primary colors of red, yellow, and blue. And you can have green, and blue, brown, and black, and white. And you can have any reds if you got cad red or cad yellow, ultramarine blue, sap green, burnt umber. You don't have to have exactly the same colors, so you can make your own painting out of your own colors. It's also nice to have some toothpicks. Toothpicks are good to have on hand, from stars and things like that. It's nice to have a little sponge so you can do some foliage. And tape, so sometimes we do paintings, we need tape to tape off our horizon line. I like to have your water jug for your brushes, and paper towels for cleaning, and I like to have a misting bottle on hand, and I think that's about it. And the supports that you might want to use for painting on are these nice canvases. I like canvases, 11 by 14, nice and sturdy. And you can also have these nice watercolor papers and acrylic paper, any nice sturdy hard paper, stiff paper. And you can have and you can have some cardboard. Like, not everybody has canvases, and so if you got any cardboard hanging around the house from the back of some of your books that you bought, or you can just paint it white, a couple of coats of white gesso or just white paint, and paint over that. And bristle board is also a nice background or support to paint on, and sizes can be 11 by 14, 16 by 20, or anything close to that size is nice to paint on. So I'll see you in the next video. Happy painting, everybody!